Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see some interesting and informative facts about our home galaxy, that is Milky Way galaxy. So let's start. First we'll see what is galaxy. So galaxy is a collection of gas, dust, planets, stars and their solar systems. All of these are held together by gravity. It is believed that there are 2 trillion galaxies in the universe. Our Sun and all planets revolving around the Sun are part of the Milky Way galaxy, that is our home galaxy. Our solar system is located in one of the spiral arms of the Milky Way called as Orion Arm. Milky Way is a part of large bunch of galaxies known as local group. This local group consists of 30 to 40 galaxies. Our Milky Way is the second largest galaxy in this local group. The local group is in turn a part of local supercluster. The one local supercluster is about 10 million light years from the other. Do you know why our galaxy is called as Milky Way galaxy? The term Milky Way came from galaxy's appearance from the Earth. The Milky Band on the edge of the Milky Way is actually a concentrated band of millions to billions of stars shining incredibly bright. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy around 13.6 billion years old and has been growing ever since. A barred spiral with a diameter of 1 lakh light years and 1000 light years thick. Our Milky Way contains between 100 to 400 billion stars, out of which only 0.000025% of stars we can see in the sky. Just like Earth orbits around Sun, our solar system also orbits around Milky Way with a speed of 8,28,000 km per hour, and it takes approximately 250 million years to complete one single revolution. According to the scientists, there are 7 new stars born in the galaxy every single year. The distance of the solar system from the galactic center is about 30,000 light years and about 20 light years from the plane of the galaxy. The Milky Way travels through space at a speed of about 343 miles per second. The galaxy has a halo of dark matter that makes at least 90% of its total mass. That means all you can see is less than 10% of the Milky Way's total mass, even with a telescope. Now we'll see what is black hole. Lying at the heart of the Milky Way, it has a supermassive black hole, which has a mass of approximately 4 million suns. It is normally referred as Sagittarius A star. It is observed that there are at least 100 billion planets in our galactic home. The galaxy is having 150 ancient groups of stars. They live in Milky Way's halo and orbit the galactic center. There are more stars in the arms of the galaxy's spiral. They are bigger than other stars, they burn brighter and die quicker. The oldest star in Milky Way is at least 13.6 billion years old, most probably born soon after the Big Bang. The center of galaxy is having mostly old stars, while spiral arms are having newer stars. Andromeda, one of the galaxies in universe, is on a collision course with Milky Way. Both galaxies are traveling towards each other at 250,000 miles an hour. The two spiral galaxies will collide with each other in about 5 billion years. Milky Way rotates at a rate of 168 miles per second. Photos of Milky Way can be taken from inside of the galaxy. That means astronomers don't have a full image or photograph of galaxy. The photograph we see are either artists' imaginations or based on other galaxies' images. In India, Milky Way galaxy has been referred as Akash Ganga. This literally means Ganga of the heaven. The Chinese call Milky Way the Silver River. The Romans call it as Milky Road. So do you know address of our galactic home in the universe? So here is the address. Milky Way galaxy, local group of galaxies, Virgo superclusters, Laniakea supercluster, local group of superclusters, observable universe.